Get ready, things are about to get rowdy. Welcome to Hirakata Park, where today we're taking you on a full ride look at one of the park's most energetic coasters, Rowdy. Compact, quick and full of personality, this ride proves you don't need massive drops to pack in some serious fun.
That was not the smoothest ride ever. Let's say that.
If you want to see more of the park, you can check out our full day vlog. We also have on-ride POVs of all of the other major attractions. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any updates. We will see you in the next video.